are there Irish music sessions near glamping sites in Ireland? Imagine waking up in a cozy tent or a charming cabin surrounded by Ireland's stunning scenery, then stepping out to the sound of lively music. That's the magic of finding Irish music sessions near glamping sites. Many glamping locations are nestled in areas rich with traditional Irish culture, especially in regions famous for their music. For example, County Clare is known worldwide for its musical heritage. If you stay near Doolin or Ennis, you can often find nightly music sessions in local pubs. These sessions usually start around early evening and go on until late at night, giving you plenty of time to enjoy the tunes. County Kerry, especially around Dingle and Killarney, also offers regular music nights. Many pubs in these areas host live traditional Irish music, often featuring instruments like fiddles, tin whistles, borons, and uilleann pipes. Galway City and its surrounding villages are another hotspot. They host frequent music sessions in pubs and cultural venues, especially during the summer months. When you stay at a glamping site nearby, it's easy to hop over to enjoy the music and then return to your peaceful accommodation. Most of these sites are within a short drive or even walking distance from the pubs hosting sessions. It's a fantastic way to experience Irish culture without needing to travel far. To find out about specific sessions, it's best to ask your glamping host or check local pub schedules. Many pubs have music nights every week, but some might only host sessions on certain days. It's also worth noting that some towns have dedicated music venues or community centers that host regular Irish music nights. If you're planning your trip, look for glamping sites in regions like Clare, Kerry, or Galway, where traditional music is a big part of local life. Staying near these areas means you can enjoy authentic Irish music sessions almost every night. So, yes, there are plenty of Irish music sessions near glamping sites across Ireland. They offer a wonderful way to connect with the country's musical roots while enjoying the comfort of your scenic accommodation. Just a little planning can ensure you catch the lively tunes and make your trip truly memorable.